Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to change the Mercedes head unit startup animation from AUTOABC back to the original Mercedes-Benz factory logo. First, we need to prepare a USB drive. Download the original Mercedes-Benz logo file on your computer, then unzip the package. After extracting the files, copy them directly to the root directory of the USB drive. Once the files are copied, go back to the car. Make sure the head unit stays powered on, then plug the USB drive into the USB port of the head unit. The system will automatically detect the file and update the startup animation. After the update is complete, the system will restart automatically. When it turns on again, you can see that the startup animation has been successfully changed.